for the first time. Today I'm doing a combined Walmart Dollar Tree haul, and the reason why is because I got a little smart, because not everything at the Dollar Tree is a bargain. So I went to Walmart first because I knew exactly what I needed and did some price comparisons, and some things I bought at Walmart because I knew I would get a better deal there, and some things I bought at the Dollar Tree because I knew I'd get a better deal there. So I'm going to show you what I got. So I'm going to start with the Dollar Tree just because the bags are closest to me. And the first thing I got 2 of these spray bottles. And I use the spray bottles a lot, you know, and the sprayer eventually wears out or gets clogged up or gunked up. And I've found that the Dollar Tree spray bottles are the best ones that you can get. They're better than some of the higher, more expensive ones. And I like them. So, and I get different colored tops. Usually, I don't know, for some reason I get green and red all the time, but I love their spray bottle. So I got that. Then I'm gonna try this. It's this fabric refresh things. So the reason why I got this is because I got I think it's leaking. It's probably because it's hot. I got a new to me car or truck or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to use it for my cleaning business, and it was a work vehicle before I got it, and it smells like boys. It stinks. I can't stand it. So I'm going to see if this will help with the smell in there, and if it doesn't, it's okay because it only cost me $1. And then I'm going to try this too. This is the Awesome Grill and Oven Cleaner. I've never used this before, so I want to see. It says it's tough on grease, cleans and degreases, so we'll see. I don't know if it's really good for cleaning a really bad oven or not, but I'm going to try it out and see if it's good for, if it does what it says it does. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do a product review on this later. That's one bag. Oh, these. Okay, so I got 2 of these, and I've actually had these before, and they're really good. These are glasses, you know, dishes and glassware and plates and things like that. The dollar store is a really good place to get them. So I got 2 of these glasses, and you can see they're really thick, and they're kind of heavy, and they're pretty because they're, you know. But I have 2 of them, and I really like them, so I got 2 more. So now I have 4 of these. So there's one. Here's the other one. It's still wrapped up. And then this I got because I'm putting together a pair of scissors. I'm putting together a thrifting kit that I want to take with me for my House of Azadi store. So I'll put that down below, and I'll put Miss Jenny's cleaning down below depending on where I post this video. But so I got these I'm going to put them in my thrifting kit because this one place that I thrift, I get things really, really cheap, like 50 cents a piece. But it's not a glamorous thrift store. It is a dirty place. It's kind of like the bins, but it's not the bins. So when I buy things there, I take them automatically over to the laundromat, and they have these, their price tags are stapled on. So I like the scissors for getting those tags off and any other things that I might need the scissors for. And I got a potato masher because I don't have one, and this one felt pretty sturdy to me. Sometimes it's by Betty Crocker. Sometimes the dollar store cooking utensils are a little flimsy, but this one feels pretty sturdy, so I got that because I needed one. And I got this spoon. Now this spoon's pretty hard, and the reason why I got this one is because I have some other ones that I have purchased before that were, like I said, flimsy. But I have 2 spoons that are red like this. I have one like this, and I have one that has the holes in it, and I've had them for years. And you can tell that they're old because they're not shiny and pretty like this anymore, but they're still good, and they've lasted me, I mean, years, like probably 8 years. I've had them for so long. So I got this one. I'm going to throw away some of the others that I don't like so much, that aren't as sturdy. And then this is one of the things that I did a price comparison on. So I got 5 of these, 5 rolls of tape, because I use this a lot for my packing. And when I did the price comparison at Walmart, I did not find something comparable that the cost was the same. And I've had pretty good luck with this packing tape from the dollar store. I've had, I don't know how many rolls I've purchased, but out of all of them since I've been selling on eBay, I've only had one that kind of splits and gets, you know, you're having trouble and it's like to separate in the middle. I don't know if you ever had that. It's so annoying, but I don't typically have that problem with this tape. So I bought 5 of those because they were a better price at the dollar store. And I got these little earbuds, which they'll be okay. And these I got because the air conditioner, I have an air conditioner on in the bedroom, and when I'm watching Netflix or whatever, I can't hear it. So the air conditioner's loud, so I got some earbuds. And that's what I got at the Dollar Tree. Now, at Walmart, I got these. This is the 9x12, and they have the little clasp in the back, the little metal thing that folds down. These are what I ship. Anything that's first class, I ship in these. And I know that you can get shipping envelopes through USPS for free, but they're priority. And I was sending everything out in that because free is good, right? But the last couple times I had a first class label on a priority envelope, they sent it back to me, and that's not good because that delays the delivery for the customer. So I'm not going to do that anymore. If they've paid first class, they get these manila envelopes. So I got 5 of those. These were, I think, 98 cents at Walmart, and they're $1 a pack, exact same pack. They're $1 a pack at the dollar store, and they're like 2 cents cheaper at Walmart. And so 2 cents is 2 cents. So I got that. And okay, I got this for my cat. I just dropped something. I'll have to pick it up. My cat loves bubbles. She loves bubbles, and we blow bubbles every night before we do our nom snacks, or nom noms. I blow bubbles for her. So I got these. So this should probably last me a year. So that's for Miss Snickers. And hold on one second. And what else? Oh, this is probably the most expensive thing I bought. I bought printer ink for the printer because I need ink. I got that. And this is the last business thing I got. Well, yeah, I think it is the last business thing I got from Walmart, but I had to get paper. So I think this was $3.75-ish for a ream of paper at Walmart. I got that. Now these other things that I got. So I live in Georgia, and I finally found a church to go to, and this is what I look like almost every single day. I have a t-shirt, I wear a pair of jeans in the wintertime, or some of the capri shorts like in the fall and spring, and all summer long I wear shorts because the work I do is dirty and I get hot and my clothes all look terrible. So I do have some jeans that look decent, and I have some decent tops. But the church that I found that I really, really like, the ladies kind of dress up there. So I found this dress. She took the hanger off of it. Well, let me see if I can give you an overview of what it looks like. And then here's the other thing. I don't know about you guys, but I always seem to freeze in church. So I found this. So it's a little like t-shirt dress, and it has this kind of robe-ish, looks like a robe that goes over top of it. It's lightweight. But I could take it off if I needed to, or if I wanted to. So it's 2 parts. But I think this is good for me because I can have the little robe over top when I go into church and not freeze. And then I have a dress. So I have a dress. Then gotta have shoes to go with a dress. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I just got these little ballerina slippers that I can wear with a lot of different things. Then I got a couple things for work because Walmart's the best place to get like cheap tank tops. This one was $3.92, and this is the same one, different color. $3.92. They're lightweight, and I ruined them, so I don't want to spend a lot of money. And then I got this little camisole This is more for banging around the house. I wouldn't wear this to work, but yep. And this one, you can get cheaper ones than this. This one was $3.44. They have some that are like less than $2, but they don't have this little pleated thing in the middle. So those are the things that I got at Walmart and at the Dollar Tree. And I think I did pretty good, don't you?